cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Ice cream truck is coming down now. Where's my money?
In your bag.
What bag?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Paige and I cover a little bit of everything in between and that has all things to do with beauty. So if you guys like makeup tutorials, makeup hauls, coach hauls, handbag reviews, then this is the perfect channel for you. Alright guys, let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so today is a real exciting one. Okay, so first things first, did you guys catch that MAC 40% off sale? There was a 40% off sale at MAC like maybe 2 weeks ago, and my coworker had let me know, like, hey, just so you know, there's 40% off at MAC. And I was like, oh, I don't really need anything, but if I could get a few things, there would be a few things that I would go and get. I went and got those few things. Alright, so today I wanted to come on here and show you guys what I picked up from MAC Cosmetics. Guys, I haven't been to MAC in like so long, right? Do you guys remember how nostalgic this used to be and was? Like shopping at MAC, like if you were a MAC girly, you just knew. You could tell by the face, okay? You could tell by the face, yeah. So I wanted to show and share with you guys what I picked up from MAC. And guys, I totally forgot about, lo and behold, the CCO. Yeah, the Cosmetic Store. Used to be Cosmetic Company Outlet. After I did this trip to MAC, not once, but twice, I got some really good things. So let me show you what I got really quickly, guys. Okay. And this isn't going to be like a super long video either because, alright. On the 40% off sale, I think we caught it just as it was wrapping up. So we had like the whole weekend to shop. So I want to say on my first trip, this was my first trip, I did get just essentials. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get essentials. I'm gonna get the things that I need. So the first thing that I picked up was the MAC Hyper Real Fresh Canvas Cleansing Oil. This is a lot different from what I remember. I used to have the Cleanse Off Oil, right? They have a whole new skincare line, which is the Hyper Real skincare line. Oh, and it comes in a little pump. It's separate. So here's the pump to the cleansing oil, okay? And then this is your actual product. So it comes in a bottle like this. I have not tried this new updated formula. So guys, if you have tried it, I still have some of my Cleanse Off oil, so I'm not gonna open this just yet. So guys, let me know down below in the comments if you have tried this and what your thoughts are on about it. The next thing I got from MAC were their Gently Off wipes with micellar water. This looks like that. You guys know these are classic. You get a ton of these. You get 80 wipes compared to your traditional 30 or 50 towelettes. So I do love to get these whenever I can get them on a great deal because they are highly expensive. These were 40% off and I could not get them. So I got my wipes. And then the last two things I got was just the MAC Stack Mascara in Black. This is in Dimension. I'm so sorry, you guys. This is the In Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. Comes in a tube, has MAC written all over it. Super cute, very, very sleek packaging. Brush looks like. It has those little spiky, pointy bristle brushes. And then I didn't know that MAC had discontinued quite a few of their classic products, including the Studio Finish Concealer, the one that came in the little singular pot. There was a cream full coverage concealer, came in a ton of shades, but they no longer make it and sell it anymore. When I went back, second back, by the way, I did order the MAC Studio Fix Conceal and Correct palette, and I got this in the shade Dark. The deepest dark is a little too rich for me and too rich for kind of like who I typically work on, but not to rule it out. I did spot it at the Cosmetic Company Store though. And then still during the 40% off sale, the Skin Finish Sunstruck Matte Bronzer. The color that I got is Matte Rich Rosy, and it just looks like this. I do have it on today. This is like my summer tan slash color, so I am a little more warmer, I'm a little more rich, I have a little more red in my skin that pulls through. But yeah, it's super pretty, and this is the more reddish toned bronzer. I wanted to try a MAC brush. I have MAC brushes, but I wanted another one. I don't have as many as some of you guys do, but I'm always willing to add another MAC brush to my collection, right? But this one was one that I knew I didn't have, but it was for the bronzer, so I knew, I was like, oh, well, I might as well get a new bronzer brush for my new bronzer, right? 40% off. This is the MAC 129 brush, but it is the 129S, which means synthetic. And that was new for me. I did not know MAC has now completely converted all of their makeup brushes to synthetic. First, I didn't know how I was gonna feel about it, but honestly, it's super soft, you guys. And it applies the product beautifully. And it does feel good on the skin. It's not scratchy or itchy. I got the MAC 129S. And then I did just grab another restock of my favorite blush. They no longer make margarine anymore or format. So this is Peach Twist. So yes, I got a MAC blush. It just looks like this. Focus. Yeah, it's a beautiful shade. And then lastly, I did get just an eye hole and smolder, just a black one. And then I did get another lip pencil in chestnut. You guys know this is classic. And if you're a brown girl or a woman of color, you know chestnut, cork, those are the lip liners. Okay, those are the go-to. So these are just replanned for me. And then you guys, I found out that MAC, they reformulated their Studio Fix Plus powder foundation, which is a compact powder foundation, and it has been a staple product for years, for generations, for all the girls. They reformulated it. So I have not tried the new formula. I have heard and seen videos, and I've gotten like different feedback from different people, different makeup artists. Your girl went to the CCO. She was not about to play with y'all. She was not about to play with nobody. No, I went to the CCO and I found the original MAC Studio Fix Plus powder foundations. They no longer make this formula. And it's not that I'm not real eager to try the new formula. I just know and trust this formula. If it's not broke, don't fix it. Okay, that's kind of like the motto. Check these out. So I did pick up my shade, which is my go-to shade. I've been this shade all my life. It is NW43. So that's what I have. I do also have an NW45, but she's like in my makeup stash. So I do plan on going back to get another backup of an NW45, which I typically would use now that I'm warmer versus my NW43. I'm NW43, okay? But this was a no-brainer, you guys, and this is all 65% off at the Cosmetic Company Store. Then I also randomly saw that they had the MAC Skin Finish Bronzer. This was in the darkest shade, Matte Richer Rosy. So now I have both variations of in the rich, deeper shades, and this one just looks like this. I'll try to compare it for you guys. Here is the first one that I showed and shared with you guys. This is the one that I got at the MAC store for 40% off. This is Rich Rosy. And then this is the one that I got at the Cosmetic Company Store for 65% off. Here they are together, side by side. So you can kind of see a tone difference. Okay, so those are the two shades together. So yeah, those are the bronzers. And then you guys won't believe it, I had to. I found my wipes. Lo and behold, they had the wipes. They had a majority of the MAC skincare line there. And you guys do know that this is a Cosmetic Company outlet store for luxury high-end makeup of Estee Lauder. So Too Faced, Origins, Dr. Jart, Clinique, Bumble and Bumble, MAC, and Tom Ford. Can't believe I like totally forgot about the CCO. Like, where have I been? I'm going back. Like 40% off, MAC sale, 65% off, CCO. Okay. They also have Too Faced, and I did run out of my butterscotch concealer. It was just time to just get a new one or just get rid of her. So I did get two of the Born This Way sculpting concealer, and I got the two shades in butterscotch and in mocha. Okay, I got two Bobbi Brown brushes. Can you guys believe it? They didn't really have a lot of MAC brushes, so I just got two Bobbi Brown brushes. I'm super excited about these. The first one is an eye shader brush, and it just looks like this. It's very square. It's round, but it's like cut off at the top, so it's a very blunt, flat head. And they said that this is the eye shader. And get in there and shade. I really have plans for using her for complexion, so we'll see. And then I also picked up the Bobbi Brown eye blender. So this is like a really full on blending brush. She has a really full head. I'm sure this will be fun using to blend eyeshadows with. I was able to pick up a few single pan eyeshadows because that is a thing with MAC. You're able to build and customize your own eyeshadow palettes. So I did just get a 4-pan quad. Petey got a duo. I did get some really pretty colors. I will call them off for you guys. This is Saddle. This is Mo Money, Mo Problems. This is Jet de Julie, Gilet de Glitz. Yeah, Gilet de Glitz. This is an eyeshadow that they are still selling full price at MAC right now, and I found it at the CCO, so 65% off. You can't beat it. And then this is the eyeshadow Cork. I'm super excited that I have those. I add these to my collection now. And then I picked up the Dazzle Liquid Shadow, Dazzle Shadow Liquid in a shade Not Afraid to Sparkle. I ended up getting 2 of these actually because I am gonna gift one to my friend, but it's super cute. This was originally Pia's, but girl, she not gonna take care of it. So it just looks like this, and it's just a really pretty multi-glitter liquid shadow. I actually have on liquid shadow today on my eyes. That's what I have on, is a liquid shadow. This is by One Size Beauty, like liquid eyeshadow. So this is one from MAC, which is super, super pretty, and it's just like a clear iridescence full of like multicolored 3D glitter. So I have those. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much what I found and what I was able to get from the MAC store during the 40% off sale, and then went and took a trip down to the Cosmetic Company Store. So yeah, guys, I got quite a bit. I'm super excited with all the great deals and things that I was able to stock up on and find. And definitely, if you guys can make it to the CCO, go and see what you can find, because there's always going to be some treasures down there. If you know, you know. Okay, comment down below, let me know what some of your most prized favorite products are from MAC, or just what are some of your die-hard shades that you can't live without. And yeah, let me know if you guys are going to be trying the new Studio Fix Plus foundation, or if you're going to be sticking it out and riding with your old girl, the OG. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.